Hello and welcome to day 3 of your 100-day English speaking challenge here at Fluent with Mari. This is your daily shadowing practice, a powerful way to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and confidence. Today's topic is talking about your favorite food and weather. We'll practice simple sentences you can use every day.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'll guide you today along with Mari in this English speaking practice. Let's talk more about your favorite food and weather. Ready? Let's begin. Today, I'll talk about my favorite food and drink. Hi, my name is Ken. I really love Japanese food. My favorite food is sushi. I especially like salmon sushi and tuna rolls. My favorite drink is iced coffee. I usually drink it in the morning. It helps me feel awake and ready for the day. In the summer, I drink iced tea too. I enjoy trying food from other countries. I want to try pasta from Italy and tacos from Mexico. What about you? You're doing amazing. Talking about how you feel helps you speak more naturally. Repeat with me every day. You've got this. Now, it's your turn.
Useful phrases. Repeat after me. My favorite food is sushi. I eat it once a week. I love Japanese food. I drink coffee every morning. I want to try food from other countries. Great job! Speaking a little bit every day helps you build confidence. Pause the video as much as you need. Ready for part 2? Day 3, part 2. Talking about the weather. Hi, I'm Mari, here again with Joe to guide you through today's second speaking practice. In part 2 of day 3, we'll learn how to talk about the weather in simple English. Ready to practice? Repeat each sentence with us. Now let's talk about the weather. Today the weather is sunny and warm. There are a few clouds in the sky. It's a beautiful day. Sometimes it rains a lot in my city. On rainy days I stay inside and drink tea. No, so. In the summer it gets hot and humid. I like to go swimming when it's hot. In winter, it gets cold. Sometimes it snows. I wear a jacket and drink hot chocolate. How about you? What's your favorite weather?
Nice job. Practice daily, even just a few minutes. It really makes a difference. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try to answer these questions out loud. What is your favorite food? How often do you eat it? What do you like to drink in the morning? What's the weather like today? What do you do when it rains or when it's hot? You don't have to be perfect. Just speak and enjoy.
Now, I'll let you practice by yourself. You got this.
You've finished both parts of day 3. Amazing work. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss day 3. And drop a comment below. Day 3 done.
If you enjoyed this session, like the video, subscribe to Fluent with Mari, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a practice. Let's grow your English together. See you on day 3.